Hello students, now I am here with the fifth module of the chapter polynomials. In this module, we will discuss about division algorithm for polynomial. It is not new. Actually, this is simple division algorithm which we have already studied in the real numbers chapter, and not only that, in our junior classes also we have studied it in the form of division fact, simple division, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remember. But the same thing we will form when at the place of number we all have been given polynomials. So I start with the statement for this algorithm. What is the statement? If px and gx are any two polynomials with gx not equal to 0, that means gx should be some polynomial, then we can always find polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, such that degree of rx should be greater than or equal to 0 and it should be less than degree of gx. This is nothing but you can remember that you have studied about Euclid's division lemma, and that was for any given two numbers a and b, we are having a relationship a is equal to bq plus r in the same form. So it is very easy to memorize it. Now here I am giving you a few questions based on this algorithm. Now I start with question number 1. Divide the polynomial px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 by the polynomial gx is equal to 2 minus x square, and find the quotient and remainder. Actually, in our previous grade also we have done such kind of division. So what has been told to us? First, to arrange the polynomial in the decreasing order of its exponent. Okay, so I am showing you how to do it. Here px has already been arranged in the decreasing order of the exponent of x. So we don't need to do anything with it. Now gx is equal to 2 minus x square, that is equal to minus x square plus 2. So I have arranged it. So here the exponent of x is 0. Here the exponent of x is 2. So I'll write it first. That is why I am arranging it in the decreasing order of the exponent of x. So now I am dividing x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 by minus x square plus 2. So here what do we see? What have been already told to you? So this is the simple division. I am explaining once again. We see the first term here. The first term is x to the power 4. So when we divide x square by x square, when we multiply minus x square by minus x square, we get x to the power 4. So x to the power 4. Then again if we multiply this by this, that will give us minus 2x square. So we this 2 will get cancelled out, and here we are getting 2x square minus 5x plus 6. This is what I have done here. Now I am multiplying it for minus 2 times. So when we multiply it minus 2 times, we are getting 2x square minus 4. Now we change the sign. After changing the sign, at the place of plus we are doing minus, and at the place of minus we are doing plus. So what do we get? We get minus 5x plus 10. So the quotient which we got is minus x square minus 2, and remainder is rx is equal to minus 25x plus 10. Now I am dealing with one another question. Find all the zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 23x square minus 28x plus 12 if two of its zeros are 1 and 2. As we can see that it is a biquadratic polynomial. Why? Because its highest degree is 4. So how many zeros it will have? Obviously it can have 4 zeros. Now 2 zeros are already given to us, so we need to find out 2 more zeros. Now I am starting the solution. Px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 8. That is whatever is given here. We give it a name, that is px. Now as 1 and 2 are not like this, 2 are zeros of px. So x minus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of px. I am reminding you that when 1 is the 0 of this polynomial, so this polynomial will be divisible by x minus 1, and the same is with x minus 2 also. So when these two are the factor of px, then obviously their product will also be the factor of this one. So when we multiply x minus 1 and x minus 2, we get x square minus 3x plus 2. That would also be the factor of px. Now when it is the factor of px, so when we divide px with this, that we will get the case of complete divisibility, and the remainder will be equal to 0. Now here I am showing you how we can divide px by this number, this polynomial. Here simple division I have done here. So simply x square minus 3x plus 2, and when we see x to the power 4 here, so if we multiply this first time by x square, we will get this one. Simple division I have done. Here the remainder we have got is 0, but what is the quotient? Quotient is x square minus 5x plus 6. So obviously by division algorithm, when remainder is 0, so this part will be equal to the product of divisor into quotient. So we can say px is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 multiplied by x square minus 5x plus 6. So now here x square minus 5x plus 6, it is a single quadratic polynomial. So if we take x square minus 5x plus 6, by splitting the midterm method, I have factorized it, and after factorization we got x minus 2 and x minus 3. So from that we got all the 4 zeros are 1, 2, 2, 3. In this way, when 2 zeros are given, we can find 2 more zeros. Now I am dealing with one more question. What should be added to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 2? So here we let that fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx is equal to x square minus 2. So by division algorithm, what do we do? Fx is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So if by simple equation, what do we do? Fx minus rx, we take this rx this side, so we get gx into qx. So fx will be fx plus, if we take plus as common outside, we will get minus rx is equal to gx into qx. The simple thing is that when we take the product of these, that means the number would be completely divisible if we add the negative of the remainder with fx. Okay, so that is what we do, and here by simple division we find that remainder is 7x minus 9. So rx is equal to 7x minus 9. It implies minus 7x plus 9 must be added to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 to be exactly divisible by x square minus 2. In the same way, you can collect different questions, you can solve it. So 3 different questions I solved. I hope you could understand it well, and you can do practice more. More practice will make you more perfect. Thank you and have a wonderful time.